Hey everyone, and welcome to EdTech Hustle. Right now I'm working on this project where I have this teacher in the classroom and I have the text that says, "Welcome to Science." Now, I tried to do a few things to make the text stand out. I used all caps, number one. I also used this in a smaller font, Science in a larger font, but as you can see from this visual, it's a little bit tough to read. So there are a few things that I can try in Canva. I can change the color of this text from a dark bluish black color to maybe something light, like a white color or a yellow color. This helps make the text a little bit more visible, but it's still not as visible as I would like. So with text in Canva, you can also change the text properties with this effects menu. So I can add a shadow like this, kind of make my shadow black, turn up the transparency. That too makes this a little bit more visible, but if we're going to be looking at a tiny thumbnail, it's going to still be a little tough to read. Other than shadow, I can use this option where it says lift. Again, turn up the intensity. That makes it look a little bit better. And then there's also another feature, another text style, which I'll use sometimes, and that is outline. So again, I'm going to make the outline black, turn this up, and that makes it a lot more visible. The problem is if you're looking at this particular font, it doesn't quite look right because the outline is so thick that it sort of makes the letters look funny. If I go back to that option and turn the thickness down, still you can see it does look better, but you'll notice that there's some black. The black of the outline kind of bleeds in between letters. So I want to show you a brand new app in Canva that's going to make this so much easier. So what we'll have to do is go over to where it says apps, and we're going to choose this option. The name of the app is called TypeExtrude, and what that will allow you to do is to create text that kind of looks three-dimensional. So let me go ahead and open, and now what I'm going to type in my main text is "Welcome to Science." Okay, so next I can select my font. There's a number of different fonts that are here. Now the fonts that are available in TypeExtrude are not all of the fonts that are included in Canva. So if there's a particular one, like this one, which is League Spartan, I don't believe that this font is inside Canva, so I'll just have to pick something that looks a little similar. In this case, I'll just choose this option. Okay, so if I scroll down, you can see that there's a preview right over here in the back. One of the things that I can do is change the line height. So now if I sort of take this and extend this a little bit, now it looks a lot better than it did before. It was a little bit compact. The colors, I can change the colors. So if I want just a pure yellowish color, like that yellow color right there. Okay, here is my text now. And now that I have this, all I'll have to do is select Add to Design. Okay, so now this shows up just like that. I can get rid of my old one. Okay, and this will allow me to make text bigger, make it smaller. If I need to edit this for whatever reason, all I'll have to do is just double click on this. And you can see I can edit the text here. So in this case, one of the things you can't do with this app, Welcome to is the same size as Science. So what I'm going to have to do here is duplicate this. I'm going to go right over here. I'm going to get rid of Welcome to. I'm going to update this. Okay, now Science shows up like this. Do the opposite now. Click on my duplicated text. I'm just going to leave Welcome to how it is. Scroll to the bottom. Let me go ahead and update. Welcome to is here. And then from here, this is just like regular text. I just have to click on it, resize, drag this over here, and I can make this as big or as small as I want to. And now with this text, since it's extruded, since they made the letters look three-dimensional, if I'm looking at this far away, it will be much more visible than it had been in the past. So the name of this app is TypeExtrude. Go ahead and try it, especially if you're designing thumbnails in Canva. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment area below. I'm going to leave you with a few videos that YouTube thinks you might enjoy. Thanks again, and have a great day.